Welcome back, fellow crypto lovers, to the Jomo Crypto Trading channel, where we talk all things crypto trading and we are always on the hunt for the next hidden gem. Today I've got something special in store for you. We'll be diving into the best AI gems no one is talking about. We'll be exploring the fundamentals, right, and dissecting some price action. Have you ever given any thought about what might be the best AI coin for the next bull cycle? If yes, please comment in the section below. Oh man, I remember how we kicked the year off with trading FET and AGIX, doubling our money on those big ass trades, amazing trades. AI is an exhilarating ride and you need to make sure that you're on it now. All right, I want to extend my thanks to each and every one of you tuning in. Your support means the world for me, but here's the real deal, right? To stay up to date with all my upcoming videos and not miss any of the valuable insights we're about to uncover, you've got to act now, right? Click on the like button, hit that subscribe and turn on the notifications because time is ticking and you won't want to be left behind in this crypto crazy world, right? Let's seize this opportunity together. All right, so as I said, artificial intelligence project no one is talking about, and the first one is going to be Bitensor, right? Or TAO. Amazing. What a project, right? First of all, here are some points. It's a new coin, right? Let's just take a look at it. Just 1 second. A little bit of this price action. As you can see, this is from March 23, all right? So this is a new coin. Why is this important? Because new coins are the coins that move the most fast, they move fast, they move strong, and they move without looking back. Why? Because they don't have a lot of resistance to them. By resistance, I mean a lot of overhead supply, meaning people that bought at higher prices and are waiting to get out or break even or so. We don't have that. That is amazing, right? Another thing is that this is a very underfollowed coin. As you can see, it's number 2,300 or whatever in coin market cap ranking, although volume wise it's at 386. So this is a positive divergence. Moreover, if you go to the Twitter, right, you can see that it's very underfollowed with only like 7,000 people. They don't have any posts. It's very stealthy mood, right? I like it because the more underfollowed it is, the more people, once they will know about it, will jump on the boat, right? So if you are in early on a coin when no one knows about it, and we are early, all right, on TAO, it means that whenever people will hear about it, price will explode. Now you can find this coin on Gate.io, all right, or on BitGet, or on Mexi. Mexi has the most volume, 3 million. Let's see if it has any preps. I think no preps, right? Only spot, and that is it, right? That's why this is so underfollowed. All right, now the good things about it is the technology. This combines AI and crypto. It has a decentralized solution. As we know, most solutions today of AI are really centralized. Let's read a little bit about what TAO Bitsensor are saying about themselves. All right, so Bitsensor is a mining network, right, similar to Bitcoin, that offers censorship resistant access to decentralized network of machine learning model. By leveraging digital incentives and rewarding participants directly to the contributions of computational resources, expertise and innovation, Bitensor established a comprehensive open source ecosystem of artificial intelligence competencies, all right? The native currency TAO constitutes of both rewards and access to a token to the network, right? So if you want to go read about it, you can go to website bitsensor.com. They have a lot of talks and explanations about their technology. And as I said, the main thing you need to understand is that it's AI combined with decentralization, right? And they are the first project to do so. Now, let's go to look a little bit at the price action of TAO. As we can further see, this, as I said, is a new coin, only founded in March 2023, so 7-8 months old. And we have broken out to new all-time highs, right? This was the last local low all-time high, and we have broken from it just of late, right? Some people would say that the entry should have been right over here, right? Or right above these 2 days consolidation. I can say that if you want to start hodling for the long term, if that's your thing, all right, if you are more of an investor for the very long term and you're interested in TAO, this is the time to maybe start accumulating, all right? Why? Because this price can shoot up really strong from here. However, if you want to wait for lower prices or you want to wait for a consolidation of prices, that is perfectly good. What do I mean by a consolidation? I mean that maybe this pumps up, then creates a consolidation, which is a digestion of profits, and then breaks out of it, and then you can have a low risk entry on this coin. And a low risk entry means that you buy this zone and you have a stop loss because maybe you are a trader or maybe you're a low risk investor, meaning you have stop losses if you're wrong. So you can use a consolidation as that stop loss for you, because some people, they want to make sure that if they are wrong, they are out. If not, if you just want to hold because TAO is such a promising project, that's up to you. Me and our group, for example, we trade and leave from our profits for the longer term DCA. So for example, we took the trade here on the last, it's an example, from the last local high, we'll make, let's say, 50% gain, 10% of the profits we will hold for the longer term. If TAO will create this type of consolidation, as I say, we will take the breakout, make some profits, leave runners for the longer term. That's how we do it on our group. So this is a little bit of what you can see on the price action of TAO. Because it's so new, there's not much to say, right? Not much to say. I wouldn't want it to go back into this area, but if it does, probably it will stuck over here, right? This is where I would assume you can, if it goes back down to over here, you can scoop it a little bit cheap. So if you wanna scoop a little bit cheap, right, try to wait to see if it goes back to the 93 area, because as you can see, it was resistance here, it was resistance here, and we just broke above it over here. So this was a nice entry, right, in the past, or a nice way for you to wait for it to consolidate. As you can see, volume is picking up, so a little bit more interest for TAO. So is it time to buy? I think it might be time to buy if that's your thing, trading, because right now it's a little bit extended and you might need to hold it for a correction. All right, moving forward for the next AI coin, which is more of a meme coin actually, not an AI coin, but I love the fact that you can combine AI names, all right, because I know we wanted to talk about AIs, but we really want to make money. That's why we're here for, right? We're here to make money trading and investing in crypto coins. And even though you were waiting probably for a very sophisticated AI talk, I think that a combination of AI with meme coins can make a blast. Let's see a bit of the points. Same thing in AIDOGE. It's a new coin, right? Let's take a look at AI coin over here. And as you will see in just a moment, it is quite the new coin, a bit older than TAO actually, but still quite new. Taking a quick look at coin market cap, if we take a look at all for just 1 second, you can see that this coin was created in May 2023, right? So not too long ago at all, okay? Quite new. Actually, I thought it's older, but it's new, very new. Okay, we can see it's number 586 in coin market cap, but volume wise it's 397. So in TAO it was number 2000, but it was even less than AIDOGE in ranking. All right, so that's why I'm saying something is up with AI with TAO. All right now, as you can see by the price action, it's moving up, right? So AIDOGE, same thing, right? Quite underfollowed as well, because not many people are looking at it. If we take a look at the Twitter of AIDOGE, we can see that in contrast to what we saw in TAO, for example, or better said, like what we saw in TAO, we don't have a lot of followers. Underfollowed. And as I said, when something is underfollowed but still has characteristics of a potentially strong up move. When you buy in early, you will be really early, and then when people start noticing, they will start buying way after you, pumping the price, and you will be selling to those new people. If you go to the website and just read a little bit about what this coin is, all right, so it says AIDOGE is a deflationary token. It will be used by the AIDOGE ecosystem applications, whatever that means, all right. It also applies trillions of tokens, all right, and belongs to everyone in the Arbitrum community. So ARB, this is part of the ARB community, and that's what they're trying to convey over here, right? So it's also necessary key to unlock the future chapter of AIDOGE story. I would say that they don't know exactly where this is going. So I wouldn't be trusting AIDOGE for a really huge project, right, that you think that it might pump just because of the technology. But I'm trying to say is that the reason why you need to take a look, right, a hefty look on AIDOGE is because it's a new coin, it's underfollowed, it combines the power of meme with AI, all right, which is a strong thing, all right, strong thing, and because what I'm going to show you on the price action right now, which is quite cool. This is the chart of AIDOGE, right? And the beauty of it, as you can see, it's a new type coin. It has some overhead resistance, not like TAO, which is at new all-time highs. You know, AIDOGE is quite in the lows, but the beauty of it is that even though it is in its lows still, all right, not like AIDOGE, all right, not like TAO, sorry, it already had a big up move from the lows. And if I'm going to measure this, let's say from over here all the way over here, it made a bunch of money in just 5 days, but it didn't give me the exact percentage. So just 1 second, let me measure it. It made 160% in just 5 days and is now consolidating sideways. Remember I told you just about what I want to see in TAO, for example, to make a trade. So in AIDOGE, this is consolidating. It's consolidating for already from peak, all right, to what we are now for 21 days, creating a nice, what I call VCP pattern, a volatility contraction pattern. As you can see, and I will draw each wave, all right, a wave of volatility is smaller than the last one. So you had this first wave, you had this second wave, and you have this third wave. And once we break above this third wave, right, above this, let's say 15 whatever level over here, 15 level-ish, you can start to position yourself in the AIDOGE, right? This is a good entry level. And if you are one of those people, just like me, which are low risk, you can put a stop loss below this. This is called a pivot, right? And then you can add over here if you want above this area, which is this area is the 17 area, and lastly you can add above this last local high area, which is above the 21-ish area. And that's how you will get quite big of a bag, all right, quite big of a bag for you to have for the next run of this coin. And oh boy, this coin can run quite heavy because it's really in the lows. Even if you start, you know, accumulating from, you know, only from the last local top, let's say, until the last high, it's quite the way. Only until the last local high. And I will tell you something, a little secret from my secret sauce, right? A little secret from my secret sauce. When coins, all right, are new and then they break out to new all-time highs, just like what AIDOGE did, what happened to my chart over here. All right, just like what AIDOGE did, they can blast really strong. So this has at least 300 and something percent of the last high, and then the sky is the limit. So that was the price action. And is it time to buy? Well, I tried to explain that on the chart, on the price action. I'm saying, you know what, even for a trade or for a long-term hodl, if you use the areas which I pointed, the 15, 17 and around 2021, those are areas you can position yourself for a trade. That's one, take 50, 100% from that entry, or even for a longer term, because you know what, if it breaks out of that area, it will probably do over 100% in just a couple of days, because hey, that's the power of meme coins, and this is combined with AI, can move really fast. As you can see from the lows, it made over 150% in just 5 days, so it can continue in that trajectory. All right, Sweet. Hey, look, as we wrap up this very insightful video about the 2 best AI coins you can look that are really real gems, I want you to remember that this is a fast-paced world in cryptocurrency, right? And you need to be staying informed because that is key to making smart trading decisions, right? Now, if you found value in today's discussion and you want to take your crypto journey to the next level, consider joining our exclusive Patreon community. That's a trading and investing group, right? Inside that group, you'll gain access to real-time trading signals, when to get in, when to get out, when to take profits, right? And so on. In-depth analysis. We do daily market updates with videos that tell you my thoughts and what you should do. Early insights on coins and gems, just like what I've done today, and a supportive network of like-minded traders, all right? Simply click on the link in the description and it will take you to our Patreon page. This is it. As you can see, I already have over 300 posts. Choose any tier you like. You want signals, daily updates, Alpha Trader. You want a monthly call with me with all the signals and more individual updates and individual lessons, take the Super Trader. You want weekly calls with me and always chat with me on Telegram about specific trades and more lessons, take the VIP. Take whatever is good for you. And hey, just for you to see that we don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. Here are some signals. For example, Jomo Trader, this is the date. So we took a 24, 25. Now it got to 46, right? 80, almost 90% profit in just a couple of weeks, and we're still holding some of it. We already sold into profits. Same thing with INJ. We took it at the $10. We actually started accumulating it over here at the 8.2, added on the $10, took profits. Now it's at above 17, so above 70% over here, and 100%, above 100% for our first entry. INJ, same thing, all right? And of course, we have Naka, the beautiful Naka, which we started accumulating and trading from the 30 cents. We added over here the last entry, of course, we added at the 33, at the 42, at the 62, at the 70, at the 78, all right? And now it's at the $1.50, all right? $1.50, right? Don't miss out. We make money. So join our group and you will see that even right now, we have a beautiful trade on cast, already 40% up from our entry in just a couple of days. This is the last one from November 3rd, right? We're already up 40% and counting. And this was a big trade for us. This was a huge trade for us, all right? I told everyone to take 25% of their account on this trade only. Why? Because I saw the value rate, all right? So, hey, stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, happy trading, everyone, and may the crypto gods smile upon you and your portfolio. Don't forget to like, right, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, right, and comment. Please comment, because the comments help me quite a bit. And never miss a chance to enhance your crypto knowledge, right? And for those of you that are hungry, all right, even more for crypto wisdom and exclusive content and want to make money now, position themselves now for the next bull market, our Patreon group awaits. Simply click, as I said, on the link in the description or in the first comment, and you will see how you can grow fast in yourself. Thank you, everybody, for joining in advance, and until next time, no edge, no trade.